going on, guys? It's here, cold in Canada. Let's do this. What's going on, everyone? This is John J. Lee and we are here in Thornhill. My client just closed this fantastic house and we bought it for such a great value, but it requires massive renovation. My client's spending over $100,000. Show you. Hey guys, what's going on? Right now we are in a little strange world right now. You know, everyone's wearing a mask. But just so you can hear me better, right now it's been 10 months since we finished renovating this house. A lot's been happening. We got COVID-19 hit, we got delay with the permits, a lot of lack of materials, but we are finally finished renovating this house for my clients. I'm excited to show you what we've done. You're gonna love to see the inside of it. So let's go inside.